Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, October 12, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. A bit tired from the week, you?
I'm okay too. This coffee helps a lot. I need it every morning.
Yes, me too. It's the best part of the day. So did you see the news this week?
Yeah, I did. Lots of big stories. Starting with the government shutdown. Crazy, right?
Totally. It's from CNN. They say the shutdown started on October 1. Now it's almost 1 week long.
1 week already? Time flies. No funding for the government. Everything stops.
Yes. Congress can't agree on the budget. Democrats want healthcare help. Republicans say no.
Politics. Always the same. It affects our sales team. Clients worry about money.
I know. In projects. We wait for approvals. No money means delays.
Delays are the worst. Last time this happened, my deals took extra time.
True. And federal workers, they get furloughed. No pay for days.
Poor them. Imagine no paycheck. I get stressed just thinking.
It's tough. The economy feels it too. Businesses slow down.
Yeah. Stock market dips a bit. We see it in reports.
Reports show GDP loss. About 0.1% per week, they say.
Wow, that's real money. Our company feels the pinch.
Pinch is right, but we keep working. Coffee helps forget.
Yes. This coffee is strong today. Good. Hey, pass the milk.
Here, thanks for asking. Now another news, the deepfakes technology.
Oh, that one. From the New York Times. They talk about it a lot this week.
Yes, deepfakes are fake videos made with AI. Look real, but not.
Scary stuff. In the shutdown, politicians use them. Fake clips of leaders.
Exactly. Like videos of Democrats saying bad things, all fake.
Why do that? To win arguments? It's cheating.
Maybe. It confuses people. Hard to know truth from fake.
In sales, if a client sees a fake video of our boss, trouble.
Big trouble. For project managers, we use videos in meetings. Now, check everything.
Check twice. Technology is fast. AI makes videos in seconds.
Seconds? That's quick. But dangerous, jobs change too.
Jobs? Like actors worry about AI voices. But in office?
In office, maybe fake emails or calls. Need to be careful.
Careful is key. I stick to face-to-face talks. Safer.
Smart idea. Face-to-face builds trust. Deepfakes break it.
Break it bad. Society needs rules. Government should act.
They will soon, but shutdown slows that. Irony?
Irony, yes. Funny in a bad way. Anyway, my cup is empty. Refill?
Sure, I need one too. This talk wakes me up.
Good. Now the third news about media trust. The Gallup poll.
Oh, that. It's big. Trust in news is very low now.
Lowest ever, they say. From the Wall Street Journal and others.
Yes. Only 31% of people trust media a lot.
31%? That's low. Why fake news everywhere?
Fake news and bias. People think news picks sides.
Sides like politics. Left or right. No middle.
No middle ground. In culture, it divides friends.
Divides? Like at lunch, we argue about news.
Exactly. Office talks get heated, better avoid.
Avoid politics at work. Stick to sports or weather.
Weather is safe, but society. Trust low means confusion.
Confusion everywhere. How do we know facts?
Good question. Check sources, multiple news places, like CNN, New York Times. Compare stories.
Compare, yes, but time-consuming, busy day.
Busy is our life. Projects pile up.
Pile up like emails. I have 50 unread.
50? Wow, I have meetings all afternoon.
Meetings, love them or hate them.
Hate mostly, but necessary for teamwork.
Teamwork wins. Like us chatting here.
Chatting helps. Relaxes before work.
Relaxes, yes, this coffee break is gold.
Gold indeed. Now about the poll again. Young people trust less.
Young, like under 30, they use social media more.
Yes, social media full of fakes. Deep fakes too.
Connects back, shut down deepfakes, low trust, all linked.
LinkedIn a web? Modern world is complex.
Complex, but we manage simple life at office.
Simple is best. Coffee, talk, work.
Work calls, my phone buzzes.
Mine too. Time to go.
See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too, David. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.